Alright, this is my scooter check. Alright, I got blue Animal Edwins, Animal bar ends, Razor Ultra Pro bars, 16 wide, 21 high. District double clamp, blue, pretty nice. Razor Pro headset, painted black. Head tubes, Razor Pro, got some inward stickers, custom Hancock grip tape. My fork is a Razor Pro with a Yak 110 low profile high rebound wheel. I got inward bolt set, make sure it doesn't do the wobble. I got Razor Pro deck and a Razor Pro brake with, and my back wheel is a Yak 110 low profile wheel and with Super Reds. That's my scooter check.
And booze.
That's my scooter check. Bombs bologna. Eat it.